Hello guys, my name is Chanu, SAP FICO and Simple Finance Trainer. This is a job update regarding SAP CO consultant position, and job location is Coimbatore, and the product it's a product based company, oil and gas product based company. And if you want to send your resume to this email address, here it is, chinamaya.north@in.experience.com, and just take a look at here. And you can see this is a SAP CO consultant position and senior level, so you should have good exposure on COPA, and experience required is 8 to 15 years, and the salary is not mentioned over here, and the job location is Coimbatore. And also you can see you should have good exposure on COPA and strong knowledge on in New GL concept and document splitting and AR/AP controlling, COPA, cost center accounting, internal orders, and settlements. So very good knowledge in product costing, like make to stock and make to order, and should know actual costing and material ledger, and and you should have good exposure and strong integration knowledge between SAP modules, and knowledge in month-end closure process. Should have good understanding in designing interfaces and effectively liaison with a technical team, and good analytical skills, and you should be team player, and any exposure in automation process or any new technology is at an advantage. And these are the details you need to send, what is your current salary and expected salary and notice period. So you need to send your resume, and you need to give all these you need to fill all these details, and this is the email address as given, chinamaya.north@in.experience.com. So thank you very much guys for your support. Thank you so much. This is Chanu signing off.